How to solve a Rubik's Cube. Step-by-step instructions. 5 easy steps. Step 2. Complete the first layer corners. Keep white on top. Put the green centerpiece in front, facing you. Find the green, white, red corner. It has 3 colors, and place it in one of the positions below without disturbing the white cross. Choose from the steps below to place the green, white, red corner piece in place without disturbing the white cross. Perform these steps, then choose again from steps above to put the corner in place. Keeping white on top, turn the cube so that a different color faces toward you. Follow the above instructions again. Repeat with the other 2 faces until the white layer is complete. Next step is coming soon.